Jirtuu! Welcome home, Jawar. Welcome home!
Jirtuu Oromo! Jirtuu Oromo! Jirtuu Minneapolis! Jirtuu Minneapolis! Akom Gipta Faea! Ani Jacob Fry, Mayor of Minneapolis. Galatoma, Galatoma. Thank you so much, everyone, for being here tonight. It is an honor to be present with you. Baga Nagan Dufta. And it is a great honor as well to be back here again now several years later with our heroes, with our friends, Jawar Mohammed and Bekele Garba.
Kan jirtu lamuma. Duraan dursee alhamdulillah madaa keessanin beekaa ak qabsaa'ota keenya adda arguuf hawwitanis ni beekaa. Duraan dursee hunda caalaa baga gammaddanis ni jechuu fedha. Baga madaan keessan fayyi. Amma na of kolcha afaan Ingiliffaatiin haasaa dhiifama wajjin. This is for Minnesota. My name is Amane Badaso, and I am so honored to be running for the 4th Congressional District for U.S. Congress. But it's a remarkable day because the two people that sit before us are freedom fighters. They're the beacon of hope for the Oromo community here. And just to add to how special this moment is, Jawar Mohammed is a Minnesotan, regardless of whether he is no longer a U.S. citizen. As a broader Oromo community, I hope if you take anything from his entire journey with you, I hope you understand that he loves you more than anything in this world, I would know. And he will never, ever stop fighting for you. And before I say anything more, because I'm introducing somebody that you're all waiting to hear from, I want to introduce my friend and our champion, Jawar Mohammed, to the stage. Thank you so much. All you.
akka booltan nagaa qabdu fayyuma warri Riverside nagaa qabdu Brooklyn Parko eessarraa akkana eegaluun beeku Minnesota deebee waan hin argullee natti hin fakkaatu ture Rabbi kanaan nu ga'ee wal agarsiiseef galanni haa ga'uun jaa